It's Natalie D here. Currently in Italy, northern Italy to be exact. I mean, not like I left or anything.
By Switzerland.
We're by Switzerland and Austria. Your girl is out of breath. I gotta go to the bathroom and there's like no bathroom nearby, so that lets you know what situation we're in. Jesus Christ, Lord and Savior. So, Sophia here.
Hi.
We are hiking in the Alps. I have an ankle issue and I should not be doing this, but I love adventure and time waits for no man. Oh, that was disgusting. I just stepped in some mud.
With our red shoes.
So, join me today while I hike in the Alps, potentially endangering my ankle, but we're good. So let's get this hike started.
Bambino Lake.
Huh. I guess it's like that one. I've been hiking in the Italian Alps all for like 15 minutes.
Yeah. Probably 1/20th.
Yeah, I'm so tired, but we're gonna power through.
Yeah.
We have so far to go, but I'm going to survive and finish this, and then I'm gonna make myself like a badge for myself, like I'm a Girl Scout. Check out this beautiful view. I'm like height scared right now, but it's all good. In the neighborhood, we're loving, we're living, we're hiking the Alps.
Yes.
How you doing back there?
Good.
Look at all these people taking those pictures.
Ooh.
But like, you gotta breathe that in though. I'm a little scared, so I'm gonna keep moving.
Actually, the hike is going better right now. I don't know why.
Well, I think it's just because it's not, ooh, there's water.
And I'm excited now.
Okay. Oh yeah. All right, hey everybody. I'm checking in again. I brought out the sign. This is the sign for the trip. We stopped and just took some pictures. I look super, super cute in all of them. So we took a small break, but now we're continuing on. But check out this view. She's super cute. Very peaceful. Oh, this does not look safe. I don't trust it. Oh, this is, oh, no, this thing is wobbling too. Nope, nope. Do you see that? Did you see?
There she goes. Oh.
Oh, wait, but look, there's more.
What? Oh. Should I get this one from behind?
Oh, yeah, get from behind.
Whoa. Ooh. There he goes, helping her. Perfect.
Iconic. So how are you enjoying the hike?
Oh my god, this is a vlog?
Yeah, it's a vlog.
Hello.
Welcome to my vlog.
Great.
So the fit, we got Fila shoes. I see the Fihal Robin. Oh yes, and I see we cannot forget the Michael Kors.
Oh yeah, you know, and the matching pink.
Oh yeah, a fit. All the fashion.
On purpose. It just came together.
Wait, what? Roman says what? We're not doing this today. I can't do this today.
In your head. No one here is real right now. You're schizophrenic and you made all this up to cope with your loneliness. We're not real.
I find that, comment down below if you think this is all a dream. There's some thick cheese there. Cappuccino, apple strudel. It's cold, but I don't care. But now we are back on the trail. Lindsay and Roman in the front.
Hi.
Me in the center here because I am the star. And then we got James and Sophia bringing up the rear here of our 5-pack crew. Through the Alps, we are rolling through. Some signage. More trail markers. Oh no, ma'am. Okay, we gotta get up. I don't want to leave this spot. It's so beautiful. But I'm glad I'm doing this now. Otherwise, people would be skiing around me. Get a do it for the vlog.
Do a flip. Do a flip.
Do a
Flip, 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 flip.
Oh. The camera maybe on 30%, but I think we've made it 100% of the way. Okay, you guys ready to see this view? Check it out. Lindsay, thoughts on the view?
Amazing. Priceless. Natalie put it in good words that she said it put everything in perspective. You know?
Oh yeah.
Fresh, beautiful, precious.
Per me non ho mai visto così bellissime montagne mai.
Mai. Proprio mai. Sí.
A mí me gusta mucho.
Ah, sí.
And now my camera's dead, so the vlog ends here.